Today we're checking out another amazing pair of earbuds from SoundPEATS. This is the Air 6 HS wireless earbuds, and I'm actually using it right now. This voice that you're hearing is directly recorded from these microphones. The microphones on these Air 6 HS wireless earbuds are also equipped with an environmental noise cancellation, which means if you're on a call in a noisy place, these earbuds will work to reduce the background noise, so the person on the other end will hear you more clearly. And just to show you how it works, I'm going to switch on this vacuum cleaner right here. And listen to how much vacuum noise has been filtered out. And this is the same way the environmental noise cancellation works and how it cuts down the noise during calls.
The SoundPEATS Air 6 HS wireless earbuds is certified high-resolution audio and it also supports LDAC. LDAC is Sony's high-resolution Bluetooth audio codec, which means this earbuds right here streams more data than a standard Bluetooth. So if you pair this with an LDAC compatible device like most Android phones, you'll get a much cleaner, more detailed sound, especially if you're listening to a high-resolution music. And with certified high-resolution audio and a frequency range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz, you'll get a strong impact on bass tones and crisp on high-frequency notes. And for more control and customization, you can use the SoundPEATS app, which can be installed on both Android and Apple devices. Settings like dual device connection, enabling spatial audio in case you want to listen to a more surround mode, set your EQ using the presets or adaptive or even manual settings, customize your touch controls, update your firmware, and so much more. To use the SoundPEATS app with your wireless earbuds, you will need to connect this to your phone using Bluetooth connection. And the Air 6 HS wireless earbuds uses Bluetooth 6.0, which gives more stable, low latency, and more efficient connection, but still supports backwards compatibility for lower versions of Bluetooth, so you can still use your older Bluetooth devices. Before I show you what's in the box, I would like to mention that SoundPEATS sent me these wireless earbuds to test out. And as always, just like everyone else, they will get to see this video when it goes live, because all opinions here are my own. In the box, you will find the multilingual app information, a sheet of Panda stickers, and the multilingual user guide. And I highly recommend that you read this because it contains functions, operations, and other device information. Also included is a short USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And right here is the SoundPEATS Air 6 HS wireless earbuds. The exterior of this charging case is completely made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. But I would still put it on a sleeve to protect it from accidental drop and scratches. It has the SoundPEATS logo at the back, and at the bottom you will find the pairing button and also the USB-C charging port. Speaking of charging, these wireless earbuds will show a flashing light indicator when charging, and it will turn off when it's fully charged. You get up to 9 hours of continuous playback on the buds themselves, and up to 45 hours total with the charging case. Now when it comes to the earbuds itself, they automatically power on as soon as you open the case. So once they're paired, they're basically ready and connected the moment you put them in. The exterior is entirely made of plastic but feels lightweight yet solid. And the ergonomic shape, combined with the 30mm speaker driver, makes them comfortable to wear for long listening sessions. The stems are slim and low profile, and you get touch controls for volume, playback, and also touch controls for calls, so you don't have to keep on reaching for your phone every time. There are some features here that some of the more expensive brands either skip or locked behind a much higher price point, which makes these wireless earbuds really easy to recommend. So if you're looking for a premium feature set without the premium brand price tag, the SoundPEATS Air 6 HS wireless earbuds is one of the best ones to consider. So guys, this is the SoundPEATS Air 6 HS wireless earbuds. Get yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.